Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong 6-6 love reading. Meaning, bubunot ako ng 6 card from this deck. That would be the main or energy for this energy check-in. At bubunot naman ako ng 6 cards from this deck as the supporting cards or the supporting energy for this energy check-in. Okay? Kaya 6 dahil in numerology 6 is also the nurturing number, and tama lang sa isang love reading to choose 6 as a nurturing love energy. Okay? And para ito sa lahat ng Gemini. Okay? So, hello sa inyong lahat. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyong mga Gemini na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. And please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin below, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading. And sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po para mag-grow palalo ang channel ko. Subscribe na po kayo. And para updated po sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Sige. Let's begin. So, get the 6th card as well. 2, 3, 4. First card, Ace of Cups. Okay. Okay, 8 of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. 4 of Wands. Justice card. And Knight of Wands. Okay, and then buno tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat, like I always do sa aking mga videos, that this is a collective reading. So it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay? So, kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap ang energy niyo today. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na-post ko na, baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo dahil ang tarot reading and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Or better yet, book a personal private reading kasi mas naka-align o naka-tune yun sa energy ninyo. Okay? Okay. First card, Knight of Wands. So, Queen of Coins. Takpan natin yan. Yeah. Queen of Swords. Queen of Coins and Queen of Swords. Four of Coins. The Lovers. And last, 8 of Wands. Okay. Okay. So, first you might be dealing with a Libra. Okay. A Gemini, and yeah, so a Libra or a Gemini might be dealing with those, pero doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, pwedeng ibang signs pa rin naman. Pero check nyo rin yung placement ng person niyo sa kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka Gemini and Libra din sila doon. Okay, so for the main energy here, so you have the Ace of Cups. And nakita ko dito na mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Happy kayo sa isa't isa. And because Ace of Cups is a card of love and happiness and even abundance. So, punong-puno ng emosyon, punong-puno ng affection, ang connection between the two of you. And although with the Eight of Swords here, meron lang tendency yung person ninyo to be, alam mo yun, yung pag-victim mode minsan sa mga issues, sa mga challenges na meron kayo sa relationship. Okay? Parang feeling niya lagi, parang, siya na naman may kasalanan, gano'n. Alam mo yun, may tendency din tong mang-gaslight. Pero, it doesn't, parang affect din yung relationship that much. Kasi, ang goal nyo rin naman talaga, and even siya, is that, showing here with the Ten of Pentacles, that he or she wants a long-term relationship with you. And there will be more stability as the relationship grows, lalo na kapag nag-proceed na kayo dun sa next level ng relationship ninyo, regardless kung anong level kayo at the moment, if you're dating or committed na ba, or engaged or married. So there will be next level na relationship ninyo with the Four of Wands here, which is a card of milestones. So there will be a milestone in the relationship and some sort of like celebration. And gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, meron lang siyang tendency na magpaka-victim home mindset, but eventually this person will grow, okay, with your help and with the help of this very good relationship dynamics, kasi matututo siya maging more accountable sa mga actions din niya. Magkakaroon siya ng mas magiging fair din siya when it comes to yun sa mga challenges na ma-realize niya yung pagpapaka-victim niya sa mga sitwasyon. It doesn't help the relationship. And as shown here with the Knight of Wands is card of being confident more. Confidence sa relationship and confidence sa sarili na may mga bagay talaga na kapag, di ba, pag may confidence ang tao, pag nagkakamali din siya, part of confidence din kasi yun eh. Once na confident ka, at alam mo na nasa iyo din yung pagkakamali, you will be responsible and be accountable. And ito yung nakikita kong relationship dynamics. And sa supporting cards here, you have again the Knight of Wands, as you can see here. So there will be mas mabibuild din talaga yung confidence ng person ninyo. And the reason why then may mga ganun pa-victimhood mindset siya is because of some insecurities na meron siya. Pero you having this trait of being able to, alam mo yun, people can depend on you and even your person can depend on you, especially here with the Queen of Coins. And there's much comfort siyang nakukuha din. And with the Queen of Swords, mas very ka rin clear ka when it comes to communicating. So na-explain mo sa kanya yung mga bagay-bagay, ano yung mga bagay na kailangan accountable siya, ano yung mga bagay na kailangan hindi na ginagawa when in a committed relationship. And you're also firm with your boundaries. Alam mo rin na kapag sumobra o nagpatuloy yung ganong behavior ng person ninyo is wala na. Parang bahala ka. Ayaw mo magbago, ayaw mo. So you have that sense of security na you will not stay in a relationship kung nakikita mo na aware yung tao pero hindi nagbabago. Okay? Pero kasi dito, with the Four of Coins here is, ayaw ka rin mawala nung person mo. Kaya, he or she will do or do his or her best and make an effort to really change kasi mahal ka niya. Okay? And that change of the behavior is going to even move forward, especially here with the Eight of Wands, na mas magpo-progress siya at magkakaroon pa ng momentum yung change na yon for the better. Okay? And once na naging okay na yon, itong parang challenge, yun lang naman yung parang pinaka-challenge dito sa main energy, yung Eight of Swords. The rest are very good cards. So once na matanggal yung challenging energy na to, the relationship will be smooth. Ayun. Ayan, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Again, use this reading with discernment. Okay, gamitin nyo lang siya as guide. And wag laging re-rely sa mga tarot and oracle readings. Lalo na sa mga general readings. But just use it as a guide. You still have the free will. You have the freedom to do what you need to do. Nasa mga kamay niyo pa rin ng inyong kapalaran. Okay? Pero sana, nakatulong itong reading na to sa mga decision na gagawin ninyo. Okay. So, kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.